Families, did you know there are ACAP Summative student tutorials and online tool trainings available to students and families to view and practice item types that are similar to those appearing on the spring ACAP assessment? These tools allow students to become familiar with the test engine that will be used for the administration of the ACAP Summative. First, access the Insight portal on the following link. Next, select ACAP Summative Online Tools Training. Select a grade level. Select English Language Arts, and then sign in using the username and password provided. The next screen to appear should begin with the sentence that reads, "Welcome Training Student." Click the green button. Finally, select your English Language Arts training session and begin. Thank you to the ALSDE assessment team for making this resource available to our families. We hope that you find this tool useful as you continue to promote literacy and learning beyond the school day.